Hey guys, Connor Klein. Today we're going to be working on a 2007 Toro Dingo tx420. There she is. We're going to be taking off the front tensioner wheel because the bearings went out. This is the old one, all scarred up. And then there's the new one on there. I'm going to show you a few things to make it easier and just how to go about doing it. So stay tuned. If you catch it in time, I believe you can change out just the bearings, but I don't think I caught it in time, so I just got the whole new wheel. They are expensive, but whatever. So to take this off, I couldn't really find anything on the internet, but there should be, get this out of the way, there's a hole right here, and typically there's a bolt and it'll go through this groove here. And you'll need to take that out. That just locks everything in place. Take that out, get your 1/2 inch drive ratchet, and then you actually act like you would tighten it, and that'll bring it back. And it's pretty hard to move. Like, I've gotten here and that's as far as I can get it in there without fear of breaking anything. And I'll loosen on that, and then I've taken a hammer and hit here. Now I'm going to take this out of here, and that's how you loosen it. Get the nut out. Make sure when you put this back together, the nut goes on the inside also. Okay. Alright YouTube, so I got the first wheel out, and as you can see it's really scarred up. So it was a good thing I went ahead and bought the whole wheel. Most of the time they are going to be scarred up, but you're going to want to get it at least back that far, because I had trouble just getting it there, and also clean out all the dirt that's in this crack. But you're going to get your wheel pushed into here as far as you can, and then you're going to have to pry the track off. Do not try dropping the wheel out the bottom, because it's not going to work. There's not enough room. So now we're going to try and finagle this new wheel in here, and it's already got everything. All I got to do is just get it in there and drop the bolt in. Super easy. So that is what we will attempt to do, and there's no direction on these. They can go on either way. And then prying the track back on is going to be fun. What I did on the other side is I got the wheel in here, and then got it bolted on, and then I was able to set it down on the tracks, and then with it still, you know, in there as far as it would, I backed up, and it was able, I either backed up or drove forward, and it popped itself on. I think I backed up. I'll back up once I get the wheel on there, and it should pop back on. So I'll try to get a video of it popping back on. Okay, so I got that back on there, tightened it up. There's also a washer on this side and a washer on this side, don't forget that. Now I'm going to attempt to get this back on the wheel. I'll pry it on there. I'm gonna try to get the bottom part on there and then set it down on top of it, and then drive backwards is the plan. So we're gonna see how that goes. Okay. Alright, so that went really smooth. So now I've just got to spin this the other way, which would be actually counterclockwise, and then get it to where it's got just a little bit of movement, not like super tight. That's not a good analogy, but that's what I'm going to do. So, alright, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel.